We've been conditioned to think that long flights are just something you have to survive. But you don't need a luxury budget to fix the discomfort. You just need to realize that main cabin travel is a series of predictable problems. And these are the 12 intentional tools I use to guarantee a stress-free flight. And of course, all of these are linked in the description below for your shopping pleasure. So let's start with number 1, compression socks. Compression socks are the least glamorous item on today's list, but arguably the most critical. I know, nobody has ever looked at a pair of compression socks and thought, these are gonna change my life. But if you've ever gotten off a long flight and your ankles look like they're in a committed relationship with your shoes, you already understand the problem. Or worse, you take your shoes off for the flight and then when you land, putting them back on is incredibly painful. Yeah, I've been there. And the reason this is happening is because hours of sitting causes fluid to pool in your lower legs. It leaves you with that heavy, achy feeling that makes the walk through immigration feel 10 times longer than it actually is. Compression socks, they keep the blood flowing, they stop the pre-flight swelling, and they ensure you land with legs that actually function. You want to put them on before you board the plane or right after you sit down. They take up zero space and they make a massive difference. Number 2, the right travel blanket. Airplanes have a remarkable ability to be freezing cold and oddly warm at exactly the same time. And managing a loose blanket while keeping your seatbelt visible to flight attendants creates constant friction. You want to look for a travel blanket that is designed to hook around your neck so that it stays in place. And then you want to be sure to buckle your seatbelt over the blanket so flight attendants don't have to wake you up to check that you're buckled in times of turbulence. And the gravel travel layover blanket is the blanket I take with me just about everywhere because it packs up super small and I can just clip it to the outside of my personal item so it takes up no space. And bonus, it also has a nifty little foot pocket to keep your feet from getting cold. Number 3, the seat back savior pouch. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is turning their personal item into a giant junk drawer. You sit down and then you immediately start digging for headphones, lip balm, and cables because everything just disappears into the mysterious black hole you are calling your personal item. And even worse, the actual seat back pocket of the plane seat in front of you is a notorious hotspot for germs. And if you put individual items into your seat back pocket, you're more likely to lose or forget them. So instead of placing your valuables directly into the seat back pocket, you want to use a dedicated slim organizing pouch. The seat back savior pouch is just one of the Lux 4 pouch system that we talk about in a lot of our videos. And this is the pouch that should have everything you need for your in-flight stuff, like your Airfly, which we'll talk about a little bit later, your charger cords, a backup power bank, and your AirPods. You know, that kind of stuff. Then when you reach your row, you simply pull out the single seat back savior pouch and then you drop that into the pocket. Now all of your stuff is grouped together and within arm's reach. One grab and you're done. Number 4, a reusable water bottle pre-filled. Airplane cabins, are incredibly dry, frequently dropping below 20% humidity. That's even drier than some deserts. Relying on those tiny plastic cups handed out during beverage service is a losing strategy because if the flight is busy or turbulence delays the cart, you're stuck waiting. What you want to do is bring a vacuum insulated reusable bottle through security, empty, and then you fill it to the brim at a water station before boarding. Now you have water to sip consistently throughout your flight, and I promise you will arrive feeling dramatically better because of it. Number 5, a snacks pouch that actually makes you happy. Another of the Lux 4 pouch system is the snacks pouch. When flights get delayed or airport restaurants are closed, low blood sugar spikes your cortisol and causes instant travel anxiety. Having food easily accessible both before and while on the plane is a must. However, this is not the time for aspirational, ultra-healthy snacks you bought because you felt like you should. 6 hours into a flight, you're going to look at them and realize you'd rather eat the safety card. Instead, you want to bring high protein, low sodium snacks that you genuinely enjoy. I like to keep my snacks pouch always full of my favorite shelf-stable items, and I simply refill after each trip. Number 6, noise-canceling headphones. Continuous aircraft noise sits between 80 and 85 decibels. That background hum places a massive sensory load on your nervous system without you even realizing it. Active noise-canceling headphones are an absolute necessity. Even when I'm not listening to music or a movie, I often wear them just to cut out the low-frequency drone of the engines. It creates a little bubble of peace and significantly reduces post-flight fatigue. My personal go-to are the new AirPod Pros that I pair with an AirPods necklace so that when I fall asleep and one of the AirPods inevitably falls out of my ear, I don't lose them. They just kind of hang there waiting for me when I wake up. Number 7, the Airfly adapter. Most modern wireless earbuds rely on Bluetooth, but a lot of aircraft entertainment screens still use standard wired headphone jacks. This is where the Airfly adapter comes in. It plugs directly into the seatback monitor and transmits the audio wirelessly to your AirPods or headphones. This completely removes the friction of being forced to use those uncomfortable, low-quality wired headphones provided by the airline. By bringing in Airfly, you get to use your own noise-canceling Bluetooth-enabled headphones for the trip. Now, one expert tip. You'll want to make sure to pair your Airfly the first time at home before you leave. This way you are sure that the only Bluetooth your Airfly can find and connect to are your headphones and not one of your airplane neighbor's phones. Trust me, trying to pair it the first time on the plane is a massive headache and basically impossible. Do it at home first and you're golden. Number 8, the perfect neck pillow. To stand a chance at sleeping in an economy seat, you need the perfect neck pillow. And depending on your neck length and your sleeping style, it's going to either be the Cabot neck pillow or the Turtle. We're going to go ahead and link both, but if your head tends to fall forward, you have a longer neck, or you want the flexibility to rest your head to either side and still hit a soft pillow, then the Cabot is going to be your go-to. If you have a shorter neck and primarily lean your head to a single side, then the Turtle is going to be for you. Number 9, strategic performance layers. Dressing for your destination instead of the journey, while it might look cute and in theme, is a classic long-haul mistake. Jeans, rigid waistbands, and stiff materials have no business being worn on a long flight. Cabin pressure changes cause natural bloating and temperatures swing wildly. What you want to do is wear strategic performance layers, like elevated joggers with a flat elastic waistband, a breathable shirt, and a wrap or a jacket. You want to be able to easily add or remove layers as the cabin environment changes, keeping your body at a steady, comfortable baseline. Now, of course, if you're going with the standard luxe travel uniform, then you're all set, because this combination works just as well for long-haul flights as it does for a short one. Number 10, a portable power bank. While most modern aircraft have USB plugs at the seat, you can't really completely trust them. Broken outlets are incredibly common, and a dead phone can derail your entire arrival strategy when you need the ability to call a rideshare, pull up hotel reservations, and if you have a connection, the digital boarding pass for your next flight. So keep a high-capacity portable power bank inside your seatback savior pouch. This removes the anxiety completely. You don't carry it because you expect your phone to die. You carry it so you never have to spend a flight worrying about it. And then number 11, the pre-downloaded entertainment. So airlines frequently experience technical issues with their in-flight entertainment systems, and plane Wi-Fi is notoriously unpredictable. If there's a chance you're going to be awake and wanting some sort of entertainment in the air, then you want to download movies, podcasts, and audiobooks directly to your personal devices at home while connected to reliable Wi-Fi. Having completely uninterrupted offline choices queued up means you are always in control and you're guaranteed there's always going to be something you like to watch. And finally, number 12, an arrival refresh kit. Arriving after a long flight looking and feeling human requires a definitive landing strategy. So keep a small zipper pouch accessible containing travel-sized essentials, a toothbrush, toothpaste, facial wipes, and deodorant. Spending just 5 minutes in the airport restroom right after deplaning to reset your hygiene just completely shifts your energy. It resets your internal clock and makes you ready to tackle the day. And if you forgot these things, no worries. Ask a flight attendant before leaving the plane. On some long hauls these days, they no longer automatically pass out amenity kits to everyone, but they often have them if you ask. And if you're going to want one, make sure to remember to ask for it while still in the air. Asking for anything while boarding or deplaning is likely to result in a no because the flight attendants are busy. All right, now for the recap rundown. If you want long flights to feel effortlessly smooth, make sure your system includes 1. Compression socks to prevent swelling and support circulation. 2. A travel blanket with your seatbelt buckled over it. 3. A seat back savior pouch so everything you need is always within arm's reach. 4. A reusable water bottle filled pre-flight to stay ahead of dehydration. 5. A snacks pouch full of snacks you actually enjoy, because life is too short to eat bad snacks. 6. Noise-canceling headphones to give your nervous system a break. 7. An Airfly adapter to connect your wireless earbuds to the seatback screen. 8. The perfect neck pillow to encourage a restful sleep. 9. Strategic layers like elevated joggers instead of stiff waistbands. 10. A portable power bank for guaranteed peace of mind. 11. Pre-downloaded entertainment queued up at home. And finally, 12, a landing kit to refresh your face and teeth the moment you arrive. None of these items are complicated or expensive, but together they turn a grueling travel day into a calm, predictable, and comfortable experience. I'd love to know down in the comments which of these items makes the biggest difference for you, or if there's a holy grail travel item you never fly without and that didn't make my list, let me know. If you want to see exactly how I organize all of these pouches and gear inside my personal item so it fits perfectly under the seat, go ahead and click the video right here. And because having the right gear helps, but having a minimalist system makes travel effortless, thanks for watching and subscribe for new travel tips every single week.